Hello everybody and welcome to APCA Malaysia. I'm Chef Rob and today I'll be teaching you how to make Pesto Pasta Salad. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows: fresh basil, finely chopped garlic, celery, olive oil, dry fusilli, carrots, thinly sliced onion, Parmesan cheese, a second part of olive oil, toasted pine nuts and broccoli. So the first thing to start this recipe is we need to make our pesto oil. So what we will do is take our ingredients, combine everything into our jug blender and then blend it at high speed until nice and fine. So my oil, my basil leaves, minced garlic, the toasted pine nuts, and also Parmesan cheese. Then we close it and now we blend. After a short while, we will turn off, check the consistency before adding a small amount of salt and pepper. Then we close the lid and continue blending. Now our pesto oil is ready. So next we're going to cook our pasta. So the first thing we need to do is bring our water to a boil. And while we're waiting, to add a generous pinch of salt to the water to help season the water. Once boiling, we can take our pasta, add inside, and we allow it to boil for around 6 to 8 minutes or until al dente. So after 6 to 8 minutes, we can remove our pasta and place into cold water to stop the cooking process. After this, we can immediately take out our pasta, drain it, and keep it aside for later use. So next we need to slightly cook our vegetable components. So for this, we need to slightly cook our celery, our carrot, and also our broccoli. So we bring our water to a rolling boil, and then we add a good pinch of salt. And we must cook the vegetables separately because they have different cooking times. So first, we start with our celery. So we place inside. This will take around 1 minute. After 1 minute, we can remove our celery and place into the cold water to stop the cooking process. Next, we will take our carrot. The carrot will also take around 1 minute. So after 1 minute, we can remove. Again, we place into the cold water to stop the cooking process. Lastly, we have our broccoli. And the broccoli, seeing as the size is quite large, it will take around 3 minutes to cook. So after around 3 minutes, we can remove our broccoli. And we place into the water again to stop the cooking process. Each time we do this, it helps to rapidly cool down the food also. Seeing as we're using this for a salad, we don't want our food to be hot. So now we can drain. And we keep aside. Now we are ready to put our salad together. So now we can put our salad together. First, what we do is we take all of our components. So we have our pasta, our red onion, our broccoli, carrots and celery. And then before we add our dressing, we will mix an extra part of olive oil inside to help water it down. So then we stir through. And now we can add around 3 spoons of the pesto oil inside. And while wearing a glove, I will toss the salad. So after we've mixed it nicely, now we are ready for plating. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon.